the top 3 mods that will make your car sound way louder and way better.
Ay, cabrón, no mames. Váyanse a la verga. No, espérense, esto es en serio.
Hit me with that bounce, baby. Come on.
What up, guys? Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. I really appreciate that, all you guys for coming back. Today what I'm gonna talk about is, so a lot of people have been commenting on how to get your car sounding louder than the stock sound, because a lot of people don't like the stock sound, which I don't either, but you got to do your mods, and I'm gonna talk to you guys the top 3 mods that will make your car sound way louder and way better. Alright guys, so right off the bat, number 1, it's gonna be delete your mufflers and your resonators. So you have 2 big mufflers in the back, and then there's gonna be 1 big resonator in the middle of the car. All that, it's just blocking the sound and the air, so you won't hear nothing. It's kind of like saying, if you're yelling and you're just putting like a sock in your mouth, you really can't hear nothing, right? That's what it's doing to the car. So you're gonna have to delete that, take it off. That way you can make it straight pipe, and you'll notice a difference real quick. That was the first thing that I did to my car, and I was like surprised. So the first thing that I did to the car for the sound, I took off the mufflers, just the mufflers, to see what's the difference. Also remember, you're taking off weight from the car, so it's better also. So when I took off my mufflers, it sounded good, but I just wanted something a little louder. So the next thing that I did, it was the resonator. So I took that off, and it was way loud. I was like, you can hear some pops out there too. So that's one of the biggest things you guys have to do for sure. So when you delete your mufflers and your resonator, if you want, you could upgrade to new mufflers. So there's so many. There's Corsa, there's Flowmasters, there's Roush, which I have. They're the Roush axle bags. Before I bought my mufflers, I was looking into YouTube videos and to see how the car would sound. But remember guys, each car has different, like some guy might have a downpipe, like a catless downpipe. Some guy might have a catted downpipe, or you know, like that. So you just gotta make sure that you're gonna have to match your car like that. So you just go on YouTube, check whatever muffler you want, see how it sounds. If you like it, get it. If you don't, then go to another one. That's what I was doing. Alright guys, number 2, this is a big one also. It's gonna be your downpipe. You can either go catless downpipe or catted downpipe. There's either way. Some people go with catted because they don't want to get a check engine light and they want to pass the smog check. Or some people go catless, which I'm catless downpipe, and whenever I have to do my smog check, just switch my downpipe back to the catalytic converter that I have. I still have my stock one, so that's no problem. Just like the mufflers, there's different brands that you could get. Like I have a Mishimoto catless downpipe, which is really good. I was looking at the reviews, I was asking people, what do you think about this? Because I know a lot of people that had it. So I asked them, like, hey, what do you think of Mishimoto? And I really like Mishimoto because I've been buying like a lot of the products. So that's where I got my intercooler and my catch can and all that stuff in there. And then yeah guys, so you guys can check out American Muscle. That's where I usually get my stuff too. Or there's CJ Pony Parts. Some people go to eBay, but it's up to you guys. You guys want to pay cheaper, then it depends like what you get. So if you guys want to do that, go ahead. But I know eBay has them, and I believe Amazon has them also. But be careful, hopefully you guys don't get scammed or anything. But yeah guys, also if you're gonna go with the catless downpipe, make sure you have a tune, because you're taking off the catalytic converter and there's gonna be a lot of airflow going in. So make sure you guys have a tune for that. Also when you guys do the downpipe, you're gonna have to put a white pipe in the middle when you guys take off the resonators, because it's a downpipe, which is just one, and it's gonna divide to the Y. That way it exits with the 2 mufflers in the back. Number 3 guys, it's gonna be air cooled intake. I have the Roush intake in mind. You'll hear the intake is gonna be more for breathing more air in, because remember guys, these cars, they love the cold air. They hate the heat, but the cold air, they love it. So once it takes more cold air, the car performs better, and then you'll hear the turbo spool way louder in the intake, and then also you'll hear it in the exhaust. If you have a catless downpipe, you'll hear it way louder. Even if it's catted with the straight pipe, you'll hear it, but if you go catless, it's way louder. Trust me guys, I've done it to mine. It's pretty crazy. It's great. I like it. So I know there's a lot of young people out there that just got the Mustang Ecoboost. They want to mod their car, but they don't have enough money to get it. So I try to explain them how I did it when I got my car. The first mods, how I was doing it, I would work, I would save up $300 this month, buy my intake that same month. Next month I would save $400, then buy my mufflers, and next month I would save $200, and that's when I would get my brake calipers. So it's just, you just gotta save. You can't just buy everything at once, because then you're gonna owe a lot. Well, if you have the money, then you know, go ahead. But and if you're young, if you don't have enough money, that's how I was doing it, and so it worked for me. I was always wanting to buy everything at once, but I was like, no, I can't afford it right now. I gotta just calm down. I have my car payments, I have my phone bills, and you know, like little bills like that. So what I was doing, I was just each month just save, and you could either save you could either save the whole year and then buy everything at once, or you could just buy a month, or if you could afford it every 2 weeks, save every 2 weeks and buy something, you know, like a little mods you could do, like your window tint, the stickers, you know, just like small things if you want. But yeah, back then I was just like, I was trying to hurry up. I wanted to upgrade everything, my turbo, my tires, my rims, because I would go to car meets and I would see a lot of cars and be like, damn, that's a badass car, I want to might be like that too. But it just takes time, guys. Just don't rush it. I know there's a lot of GT owners out there that see an EcoBoost stock, plain stock, and they talk trash. And I know the people with the EcoBoost owners that feel like crap because it's like completely stock. That's how I was before. I would go to car meets, my car was like bone stock, and I would go. I don't care what people would say. I would just go take my car. A lot of people wouldn't look at my car because it was just stock. So I mean, it didn't bother me because I know that later on I would upgrade my car to this. But I'm still not done. I still got a couple more modifications I want to do to it. I'm not gonna spoil it right now. I'm gonna save it on for another video. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, just to see on the mods that you guys need to make your car sound a little louder. And you guys already know what to do. If it's, you guys don't want it that loud, you guys want it low. But if you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments or message me on Instagram or my Snapchat, and I'll get back to you guys. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. Anything you guys need to know, hit me up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap the video here. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to like the video, and if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button guys, because more content is coming soon for the Mustang Ecoboost community. Here we go. Let's go guys. What up guys, just finished recording the video. What the hell, I'm still recording? What up guys, how's everybody doing today? Nice, get it. I'll see you guys until the next one.